Recall, and I'll try to be as brief as I can, Rochester City Lines has sued the city after the city awarded a contract to First Transit. The lawsuit was dismissed by the district court. The Rochester City Lines appealed to the Court of Appeals, which upheld the dismissal of the lawsuit. Rochester City Lines has asked the Minnesota Supreme Court to hear the case, and yesterday the Supreme Court said yes and no. Yes, they would hear the case as to 2 of the 4 issues, no as to the other 2 issues. So we have a partial review by the Minnesota Supreme Court on, and this gets rather technical, what is the standard that should the city use in awarding a contract under the best value contract process, which is a brand new law that the legislature passed several years ago, which we used in this contract process, where we consider more than just the lowest price, and that's the best way I can summarize it. The other issue is the bid protests as to bias, conflict of interest, and those other types of allegations that were raised by RCL, were those decided correctly. So those are the only 2 issues that the Minnesota Supreme Court has agreed to hear. They will not hear the takings lawsuit. They will not hear the defamation claim brought against one of the council members.